What's the biggest challenge in explaining standard of care to a jury with no medical background? We're talking about that a little bit earlier with attorneys, but what about juries?
Absolutely. So that can definitely be a challenge, and I think it goes back to any of us who have had experience with patient education. One of the things that we always need to do is to try to simplify things and clarify things in lay terms so that a jury will understand. Um, I think one of the things that's always particularly interesting is when you have, I'm kind of going off on a little bit of a tangent here, but when you have pressure injury cases, for example, and you show the jury the pressure injury case or the pictures, that does a lot for explaining to them, the nature of the situation. But I think it really goes down to if you're a medical personnel, if you're a physician, if you are a nurse, if you're a nurse practitioner, physician, physical assistant, physician assistant rather, physical therapist, whatever it is, you always want to think about, okay, if I am explaining this to a patient, how would I explain it? And I think keeping that in mind can be helpful.